عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مقعيقة Iftin Hagi Mohamed Ballaaaran. I am the CFO and co-founder of Voice of Tomorrow. aad baan ugu mahad celinayaa dadka oo bulshada oo ka soo qayb qaatay Voice of Tomorrow eventkiisa. badanaa ramadaanka markuu dhamaado waan isku imaanaa inaan cunto isla cunno aan dabaaldegno Ciiddul Fitriga. So aad aan ugu mahad celinayaa family-ga, caruurta, community-ga, members oo ka soo qayb qaatay Voice of Tomorrow's event. And really this was a wonderful turnout. We were so afraid about the rain. We were not anticipating a little bit of sun, so it was beautiful. And qadar Allah, we had a little bit of a sun, and we're enjoying the space of Othello Park. So thank you to everyone who contributed to the success of this organization.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.